Alex and I are about to do a drag race. Well, not a drag race, but just a regular race.
Circuit race.
Yeah, it's a race. That's all you need to know. We're starting at McGuckin's, and we're going to go to a restaurant called Illegal Pete's on the hill. And this race is going to be interesting because we're both all electric.
Yeah, I've got the electric Spark right there. He's got the electric KBO bicycle. So 2 electric vehicles. We're going to find out what's better in the city, 4 or 2 wheels.
I know the answer. It's 2.
I do too. It's 4. It's like 100 degrees today, and I've got air conditioning. All right, so we're starting at McGuckin's. There's a car behind us. We got to go quick. 3, 2, 1, go! And he's cutting me off. He's going right in front of me.
Going for it. Oh yeah, I'm off to a good head start.
This is going to be quite the maneuver, but I've got a little tiny Spark, so I can squeeze through these cars here and get in the left turn lane.
I was able to just cruise through the cars. He's right behind me now, though. Yeah, I think he's gonna beat me on the uphill. Let's go, Audi. I've got a race to win.
Pretty even race off the line. We both caught the first green light. Case is pedaling away, and I'm sitting here in the air conditioning.
All right, I've got a 7-speed gearbox. Alex has only got 1.
Cruising right by him, 30 miles an hour. Can't keep up. It's going well.
I'm gonna try and pedal as hard as I can, but I was mountain biking yesterday and my legs still hurt. This electric assist does a good bit though. Going 24 miles an hour.
Now I've got 56 miles of range on this Spark right now, and that's pretty funny actually, because I think Case has just about the same amount of range on that electric bike. He was behind 2 bikes and he breezed by both of them with the electric power.
Look at that. Already getting by him.
My only option here is to make a left. And yeah, he took the right. So he's cutting through campus. I can't do that. Cars aren't allowed through campus. CU, of course. So I got to take the long way around and go all the way around campus to get to our taco spot.
Now, here's where I'm gonna make up some ground. I get to shortcut through CU's campus. Then again, I haven't been a student at this school in about a while now. I don't remember exactly how to get through here. Naturally, everybody's walking on the bike path, but I'm already making really good progress.
I think Case is gonna have a lot less time with that big old goose egg up on his speedometer, unfortunately. It's move-in week here at CU Boulder, so everyone's moving into their dorms, and that's not helping out the traffic situation. There's cones all over the place. Roads are kind of shut down and way more crowded than they usually are. So it's gonna be interesting.
Right, this road coming up, I can open it up a little extra. I've got an adjustable front fork. That's definitely helping me right now. Okay, where do I want to cross? Cross it right here. Okay, waiting for the walk signal. Once I get the walk signal, I'm home stretch.
And I did manage to get all the way around campus. We're on a 2-lane road right now, 30 miles an hour top speed, unfortunately. And if you look in front, it is just traffic light after traffic light after traffic light. Hopefully I hit all greens, and it looks like I actually am gonna hit all greens, so Case might actually be in for a little bit of a treat when I get there. Hello?
Hey man, can you tell me what it's like to not be at our destination right now?
Are you there already?
Oh, I'm there. I touched the building. It's official. It's on camera. Yes. Okay. And there we go. Maybe easiest race I've ever won. That right there is Illegal Pete's. So you can see, my feet are on the ground. You know what? I'm gonna go over and touch the building. And there you go. That's how races are won.
Oh man. Well, I am still on Broadway. I'm behind a bus, which also happens to be 100% electric, funny enough. But no, I'm not there and I still gotta park. Where'd you park?
Oh, I parked right in front of the restaurant. There's a bike rack and everything.
Are there parking spots out front for me?
Woo! Let's go, Buffs! What was that?
Are you saving a parking spot for me out front?
Hell no. I couldn't if I wanted to. There's like a 3-foot wide section right in front of me, but good luck.
All right, well, I will be there in 1 minute, so I don't think you beat me by that much.
Oh, there you are. I see you.
So that's a loading zone, unfortunately. That lot's always full, so I'm not even gonna try it. No, we'll try it. Let's try it. Maybe I'll get lucky. Oh man, look at that. All right, now we gotta run, meet Case, touch the building, I guess, because that's how he decided the race would be finished. Let's go do it.
Pretty sad. Pretty sad.
Here we go.
Look at this guy and his walk of shame.
Did you stop at all?
Why would I stop?
You didn't get hung up at any crosswalks? No
I didn't
way?
get hung up once.
Not one time.
That stoplight where I passed you was the last time. Oh, well, I guess I had to stop for a stoplight, but
All right,
other
well,
than that,
I guess bike wins.
bike won by a shocking amount.
Yeah. Oh, got some
Yeah.
visitors today.
There we go. That's
Yeah.
the fun of being on the hill. I got to yell "Still Buffs" earlier. It's
I
been
heard
a couple
that.
of years since I did that.
Yeah, like we said, it's move-in week here, so craziness is in full effect.
Just chaos.
And it's time to get out of here because I'm not a big fan.
Yeah, big time. But bike wins.
Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to head on over to TFL Bikes so you don't miss any stories in the bike world. Hope you thought this was at least entertaining. Maybe you learned a little something.
Yeah, maybe you learn a little something. If you live in Boulder, don't have a car, have an e-bike. That's the way to go. So this is the
think that's
KBO Breeze. We're going to be doing some more videos with it because it's a pretty cool bike. It's fun color of orange. It's got 55 miles of range, 750 watt hub motor. This thing is actually pretty ripping fast. So we're definitely going to do some more testing with it.